All right, I just took our Grand's Flaky Layers 8 big biscuits and I've separated them and put them into our greased muffin tin. I'm next going in with some par-cooked bacon that we are going to be cutting up into our muffin tins for this super yummy and delicious little treat. I love doing this as a breakfast entree, as a little snack for after school, or if I'm going to work and I just need to quickly grab something. This is super easy and super simple to make and easy to store in the kitchen for later times. I'm just cutting that bacon right onto our layers. We want to save the rest of our bacon because we're going to also top this recipe with our bacon. I'm next going in with some medium cheddar cheese slices, and similarly to the bacon, I'm just going to be placing a portion right onto that bacon and muffin. Gets nice and gooey and delicious. You can also feel free to do a white cheddar, you could do a Parmesan, you could do a mozzarella, but cheddar, you just can't go wrong with cheddar. And we're just cutting that into fourths and placing that right onto our bacon. I use 4 slices, so that should be perfect for this. All right, I'm next going in with some melted butter that I just popped in the microwave, and I'm gonna be adding some of our garlic to that butter for this super yummy little topping for this. And I'm just going in and stirring that, and we're just gonna brush some of that yummy garlic butter right into each of our muffin tins. It's just gonna keep that biscuit super moist, and it's gonna crisp up that cheese and bacon super beautifully. Oh, yum. And I use a stick of butter and, probably about a tablespoon of garlic, just so that we can brush these. And we'll use half now, and then half for another recipe. Oh, because you can't go wrong with butter and garlic, am I right? Oh, look, the butter chunks on that one. Oh, delicious. All right, perfect. Now I'm going back in with additional biscuits, and I'm just gonna pop those right on top of our layered biscuits. All right, and we're gonna do our last layered biscuit, and it's super important to use the flaky layers so that we can easily pull them apart and get all those yummy ingredients tucked in. And we're going in again with our butter garlic mix, and I'm just gonna dredge each top just like so for this super yummy little treat. All right, now that we have our biscuits assembled, I'm gonna be placing these in the oven for about 15-20 minutes at 350. All right, while our biscuits are in the oven, I'm gonna be taking our sour cream and chive mashed potatoes. I've already cooked these, and we're going in with our little plastic bag, and I'm just gonna cut the very tip of our plastic bag to use as a piping bag. Get that all ready while our biscuits are cooking. Oh my goodness, look at how amazing our cheese and bacon biscuits turned out. They are totally golden brown from that yummy garlic butter. They are flaky, and we are ready to bring in our mashed potato little piping bag, and we are gonna go right in on top of our biscuits. Oh my gosh, look at how cute these are. You can also feel free to use your own mashed potato, but sometimes just getting that pre-made and heating that up is just so much easier. Am I right? Oh my gosh, these are so darling. And this mashed potato acts like a little bit of a frosting. And this is gonna be a great little fun holiday. You could even make this into an appetizer or even an entree. But look at how cute that is. All right, use that last little bit of mashed potato. Perfect. And what is mashed potatoes without a little bit of our chicken gravy? And I'm just gonna grab a spoon and we're just gonna drizzle that right on top. Because I mean, mashed potatoes and gravy, am I right? Look at how freaking darling those are. All right, we are ready to serve, and I'm just gonna grab this front one. Oh my gosh, look at how cute that is. That bacon is all crispy, the cheese is melted, and I'm just gonna go right on in. We're just gonna enjoy. Oh my gosh, really good. The mashed potatoes are delicious. You can see all the flaky crust. Oh, got gravy on my nose. Super, super good. You gotta try it.